Hello and welcome back everybody to Ledger Pulse. Today we saw a minor pullback in XRP and across all markets. Nothing unusual in a healthy market. But despite that, the bigger picture is bullish. Why? Because XRP isn't just moving on price charts. It's now being mentioned at the government level, included in institutional ETFs, seeing rapid adoption of its stablecoin RLUSD, and moving closer to regulatory clarity. So short-term dips aside, the long-term picture is stacking up. Before we continue, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making investment decisions. Let's dive in. Starting with institutional exposure. According to CoinDesk, the Hashdex NASDAQ CME Crypto Index ETF, ticker symbol NCIQ, has expanded to 7 assets. New additions include ADA and Link. Existing holdings include BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, XLM. Why does this matter? ETFs bring institutional money and mainstream access to crypto. Inclusion of XRP signals confidence from professional investors. It diversifies market exposure while reinforcing XRP's relevance. So even with today's minor pullback, demand and interest are being built at a structural institutional level. Next, Ripple is moving into the regulatory conversation. With a post here by Subjective Views, Sam Liccardo mentioned Ripple in a House hearing on financial innovation. The key focus: asking regulators if they are moving fast enough to support payment tech that makes money transfers quicker and cheaper. This is a bullish signal because Ripple is being considered as part of the financial infrastructure conversation. Solutions like XRP and its stablecoin can improve efficiency in payroll, bills, and domestic payments. It positions Ripple as a key player in modern payment rails, not just a crypto asset. Now let's look at real adoption. According to CoinDesk, RLUSD, Ripple's stablecoin, crosses 1 billion in market cap in under a year. Circulating supply, 1.34 billion. CEX trading volume, 43.3 billion. Already the 4th largest stablecoin by exchange volume. The chart shows adoption is not gradual, it's accelerating. Key takeaway here is institutional adoption is real. The rails being used are trusted by the professional financial world. So even during minor price pullbacks, usage and adoption trends remain strong, bullish signals. Finally, we got regulatory clarity, touching on it rather, from Brad Garlinghouse Insights via Crypto Eddy. Ripple doesn't need they don't have a big dog in the fight. The Clarity Act could pass by the end of May. Panels like FITSCA in Miami are actively discussing this. Why this matters. Clear regulation removes uncertainty. Capital can flow more freely. Ripple and XRP's institutional and retail adoption can scale faster. So the combination of adoption, institutional backing, and impending clarity paints a bullish picture for XRP's midterm outlook. Let's summarize. ETF inclusion shows institutional confidence. Congressional mention signals regulatory recognition. RLUSD adoption highlights real-world utility. Clarity Act could bring regulatory certainty. Even with today's pullback, the signals are aligned. This isn't just noise. It's structural, bullish momentum forming. So yes, XRP and along with all the other markets had a minor pullback today. Well, if you're talking about traditional finance, it was a bit more than crypto. but nothing in the fundamentals, adoption, trends, or regulatory developments has changed. Structure is intact. Demand is building. Institutional and regulatory momentum is growing. The market may pause, but the bigger story continues to unfold. If you found this analysis helpful, Please like and subscribe for more crypto market updates, breakdowns, and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update.